machine. So theory of machine, it is nothing but it is the study of relative motion of various parts of a machine. Okay, between the various parts of machine. Okay, so first you need to understand machine. Okay, so machine, it is a structural members where the number of links and mechanism that included in the machine to give the desired motion of the body, that we called as a machine. Okay, so the relative motion, to study about the all the relative motion of the parts in a machine, that we called as a theory of machine. Now how the theory of machine, it will be classified. So we'll write classification now. With theory of machine basically classified into two types. So one, it will be kinematics, and another, it will be dynamics. Okay, so now let me explain you what is kinematics. So this, it will be deals with the relative motion of between the various parts of a machine. Okay, so here in case of the kinematics, where the force involved, okay, so various force that will be involved in the motion of the motions are not considered. So now we'll explain what is a dynamic. So where dynamic, that will be deals with the various forces and also the involve the various parts of the machine. To study the various force involved in the various parts of the machine. Next, the force may be, here it may be statics or dynamics. Okay, so in the kinematics, where force in the motions are not considered, where in case of dynamics, the force involved in the various machines to be considered. And the dynamic, the force may be a static, it means when it is under rest, means any one force, suppose on a body, the force will be applied, so that will be static, or sometimes the force, it may be in the motion of dynamic. Again, this dynamic, it will be further classified in two types. So one, it will be kinetics, and the second one, it will be statics. Where in case of kinetics, it will be deals with the various force when body is moving. Is it clear? So it will be study of the various forces when the body is in moving condition. Where in case of statics, it will be deals with the various forces when the body is a rest, or you can say stationary. Okay, so like that the theory of machines, it will be classified. So kinematics, dynamics. Again dynamics, it will be classified in two types, kinetics and statics. Okay, so now in the next class we are going to study about what is a link and how the links are be classified, and how the links it will be formed together, and how the kinematic pairs it will be classified. So all this classification will come to know in the next class. So thank you for watching.